Chapter 6 Division Learning Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to determine that division is dividing objects into equal groups. Divide up to 4-digit numbers. Apply the properties of division to solve story sums. Check the answer of division. Warm up. Division means equal distribution or equal sharing of things. If 45 chocolates are shared among 5 children, so how many chocolates will each child get? Facts to know. The division sign which we use was introduced by the Swiss mathematician John Heinrich Rand in his work Twitzke Algebra 1659. Division is the inverse or an opposite operation of multiplication. The number which is to be divided is called dividend. The number by which divisor is to be done is called divisor. The number or answer obtained after carrying out the division is called quotient. The number left in the end after the process of division which cannot be further divided is called remainder. Let's first learn some of the properties of division. Properties of division. 1. If a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. For example, 20 divided by 1 is equals to 24. 2. If a non-zero number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. For example, 746 divided by 746 is equals to 1. 3. If a 0 is divided by a non-zero number, then the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 243 is equals to 0. 4. If a non-zero number is divided by 0, then it has no meaning. For example, 249 divided by 0 is equals to no meaning. Teacher's note: ask the student to divide the total number of Sundays in their summer vacation by the sum of the current year, which is 2022. Instruct them to answer the remainder and quotient as well. Exercise 6.1. 1. Fill in the blanks. A. 276 divided by 1 is equals to 276. B. 149 divided by 149 is equals to 149. C. 462 divided by 462 is equals to 1. D. 296 divided by 296 is equals to 1. E. 0 divided by 279 is equals to 0. F. 0 divided by 186 is equals to 0. G. 580 divided by 1 is equals to 580. H. 1 divided by 143 is equals to 1. I. If a non-zero number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. J. If a 0 is divided by a non-zero number, then the quotient is 0. Division by 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Checking division. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Quick tip: remainder is always less than the divisor. Solved example. Example 1. Divide 226 by 12 and also check the answer. Solution. Step 1. As divisor is 2-digit number, take first 2 digits of dividend, that is 22. 22 is greater than 12. Now 12 into 1 is equals to 12 and 12 into 2 is equals to 24. Since 12 is less than 22 and 24 is greater than 22, thus 12 goes into 12 one time. Write 1 in quotient. Subtract 12 from 22 to get 10. Bring down 6 to make 106. Step 2. Now 12 into 8 is equals to 96 and 12 into 9 is equals to 108. Since 96 is less than 106 and 108 is greater than 106, thus 12 goes into 106 8 times. Write 8 in quotient. Subtract 96 from 106 to get 10 as remainder. Question 18. Remainder 10. Check. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder is equals to 12 into 18 plus 10 is equals to 216 plus 10 is equals to 226. Thus answer is verified. Example 2. Divide 6842 by 29 and also check the answer. Solution. Step 1. As divisor is 2-digit number, take first 2 digits of dividend, that is 68. 68 is greater than 29. Now 29 is into 2 is equals to 58 and 29 into 3 is equals to 87. Since 58 is less than 68 and 87 is greater than 68, thus 29 goes into 68 2 times. Write 2 in quotient. Subtract 58 from 68 to get 10. Bring down 4 to make 104. Step 2. Now 29 into 3 is equals to 87 and 29 into 4 is equals to 116. Since 87 is less than 104 and 116 is greater than 104, thus 29 goes into 104 3 times. Subtract 87 from 104 to get 17. Bring down 2 to make 172. Step 3. Now 29 into 5 is equals to 145 and 29 into 6 is equals to 174. Since 145 is less than 172 and 174 is greater than 172, thus 29 goes into 145 5 times. Write 5 in question. Subtract 145 from 172 to get 27 as remainder. Quotient 235, remainder 27. Check. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder is equals to 29 into 235 plus 27 is equals to 6815 plus 27 is equals to 6842. Thus answer is verified. Example 3. Divide 1742 by 43 and also check the answer. Solution. Step 1. As divisor is 2-digit number, take first 2 digit of dividend, that is 17. 17 is less than 43. So, take next digit 4. 174 is greater than 43. Now we divide. Now 43 into 4 is equals to 172 and 43 into 5 is equals to 215. Since 172 is less than 174 and 215 is greater than 174, thus 43 goes into 174 4 times. Write 4 in question. Subtract 172 from 174 to get 2. Bring down 2 to make 22. Step 2. Since 22 is less than 43, which cannot be further divided, write 0 in question. Subtract 0 from 22 to get 22 as remainder. Question 40, remainder 22. Check. Dividend, divisor into question plus remainder is equals to 43 into 40 plus 22 is equals to 1720 plus 22 is equals to 1742. Thus answer is verified. Example 4. Divide 2865 by 102 and also check the answer. Solution. Step 1. As divisor has 3 digits, take first 3 digits of the dividend. 286. 286 is greater than 102. Now 102 into 2 is equals to 204 and 102 into 3 is equals to 306. Since 204 is less than 286 and 306 is greater than 286, thus 102 goes into 286 2 times. Write 2 in question. Subtract 204 from 284 to get 82. Bring down 5 to make 825. Step 2. Now 102 into 8 is equals to 816 and 102 into 9 is equals to 918. Since 816 is less than 825 and 918 is greater than 825, thus 102 goes into 825 8 times. Write 8 in question. Subtract 816 from 825 to get 9 as remainder. Question 28, remainder 9. Check. Dividend, divisor into question plus remainder. 102 into 28 plus 9 is equals to 2865. Thus answer is verified. Example 5. Divide 78465 by 192 and also check the answer. Solution. Step 1. The divisor has 3 digits. So we take first 3 digits of the dividend. 784. 784 is greater than 192. Now 192 into 4 is equals to 768 and 192 into 5 is equals to 960. Since 768 is less than 784 and 960 is greater than 784, thus 192 goes into 784 4 times. Write 4 in question. Subtract 768 from 784 to get 16. Bring down 6 to make 166. Step 2. Now 166 is less than 192. So put 0 in the question and bring down 5 to make 1665. Step 3. 192 into 8 is equals to 1536 and 192 into 9 is equals to 1728. since 1536 is less than 1665 and 1728 is greater than 1665. Thus 192 goes into 1665 8 times. Write 8 in quotient. Subtract 1536 from 1665 to get 129 as remainder. Question 408, remainder 129. Check dividend. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. 192 into 408 plus 129. 78336 plus 129. 78465. Thus answer is verified. Exercise 6.2. Question 1. Divide and also check the answer. A. 342 by 12. Answer 28.5. B. 862 by 94. Answer 9. C. 1746 by 15. Answer 116. D. 2862 by 43. Answer 66. E. 38645 by 82. Answer 471. F. 27440 by 95. Answer 288. Question 2. Find the quotient and remainder. Also verify the answer. A. 1896 by 146. Answer quotient 12, remainder 144. B. 7042 by 459. Answer question 15, remainder 157. C. 3895 by 109. Answer question 5, remainder 80. D. 98645 by 729. Answer question 135, remainder 230. E. 92095 by 502. Answer question 183, remainder 229. F. 76405 by 812. Answer question 94, remainder 77. Question 3. Find the quotient and remainder when A. Dividend 4659, divisor 52. Answer quotient 89, remainder 31. B. Dividend 98640, divisor 129. Answer quotient 164, remainder 84. Question 4. Find the dividend when A. Quotient 145, divisor 42, remainder 0. Answer 6090. B. Quotient 29, divisor 15, remainder 12. Answer 435. C. Quotient 231, divisor 56, remainder 102. Answer 12936. Division by 10, 100 and 1000. 1. If the divisor is 10, then the last digit or ones place digit of the dividend is the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend is the quotient. Example, if 63 divided by 10, then quotient 6, remainder 3. If 20 divided by 10, then quotient 2, remainder 0. If 149 divided by 10, then quotient 14, remainder 9. If 2842 divided by 10, then quotient 284, remainder 2. If 4000 divided by 10, then quotient 400, remainder 0. 2. If the divisor is 100, then the last two digit, ones and tens place digits of the dividend is the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend is the quotient. Examples, if 986 divided by 100, then quotient 9, remainder 86. If 700 divided by 100, then quotient 7, remainder 0. If 2859 divided by 100, then quotient 28, remainder 59. If 8302 divided by 100, then quotient 83, remainder 2. If 76429 divided by 100, then quotient 764, remainder 29. 3. If the divisor is 1000, then the last three digit, ones, tens and hundreds place digit of the dividend is the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend is the quotient. Examples, if 2853 divided by 1000, then quotient 2, remainder 853. If 2000 divided by 1000, then quotient 2, remainder 0. If 7640 divided by 1000, then quotient 7, remainder 640. If 53429 divided by 1000, then quotient 53, remainder 429. If 82058 divided by 1000, then quotient 82, remainder 58. Exercise 6.3. Question 1. Find the quotient and remainder. A. 245 divided by 10. Answer. Quotient 24, remainder 5. B. 740 divided by 10. Answer. Quotient 74, remainder 0. C. 500 divided by 10. Quotient 50, remainder 0. D. 7865 divided by 10. Quotient 786, remainder 5. E. 342 divided by 100. Quotient 3, remainder 42. F. 800 divided by 100. Answer quotient 8, remainder 0. G. 2709 divided by 100. Question 27, remainder 9. H. 39025 divided by 100. Question 39, remainder 25. I. 7642 divided by 1000. Question 7, remainder 642. J. 9000 divided by 1000. Question 9, remainder 0. K. 83429 divided by 1000. Question 83, remainder 429. L. 102465 divided by 1000. Question 10, remainder 246. Word problem. Example 1. 2865 chocolates have to be packed in 12 boxes. Each box contains each equal number of chocolates. How many chocolates will be there in each box? How many chocolates are left unpacked? Solution. Number of chocolates to be packed 2865. Number of boxes 12. Number of chocolates in each box 2865. Quotient 238, remainder 9. Thus there will be 238 chocolates in each box and 9 chocolates are left unpacked. Example 2. There are 2342 birds brought in a zoo. If there are 120 cages and each cage has equal number of birds, then how many birds are there in each cage? How many birds are left? Solution. Number of birds brought in a zoo 7342. Number of cages in a zoo 120. Number of birds in each cage 732 divided by 120. Quotient 61, remainder 22. Thus, there are 61 birds in each cage and 22 birds are left. Example 3. The product of two numbers is 1092. If one number is 26, find the other number. Solution. Product of two number 1092. One number 26, other number 1092 divided by 26. Quotient 42, remainder 0. Thus, the other number is 42. Framing word problems. Example 4. Frame the word problems for the following division facts. A. 7465 divided by 20. B. 38426 divided by 172. Solution. A. There are 7465 sweets is to be distributed among 20 children. Each children will get equal number of sweets. How many sweets will each child get and how many sweets left? B. If there are 38426 chairs to be kept in 142 rows and each row has equal number of chairs, then how many chairs will be kept in each row? How many chairs are left? Exercise 6.4. Solve the following word problem. Question 1. 3086 marbles were packed equally in 56 boxes. How many marbles were packed in each box? How many marbles will remain unpacked? Answer. Question 55, remainder 6. Question 2. If the cost of 98 irons is rupees 75,362, then what is the cost of each iron? Answer. 769. Question 3. The product of two numbers is 1288. If one number is 23, find the other number. Answer 56. Question 4. A train covers 37440 km in 48 hours. How much distance does it cover in 1 hour? Answer 780 km. Question 5. 86,429 mangoes were packed equally in 126 boxes. How many mangoes were packed in each box? How many mangoes will remain unpacked? Answer. 685 mangoes packed in each box. 119 mangoes will remain unpacked. Question 6. If the cost of 86 notebooks is rupees 2,236, what is the cost of each notebook? Answer 26. Question 7. 392 pens were packed equally in 82 boxes. How many pens were packed in each box? Answer 456. Question 8. Frame the word problem for the following division facts. A. 7,642 divided by 29. B. 346 divided by 14. C. 1248 divided by 122. D. 76,925 divided by 543. E. 3845 divided by 162. F. 5062 divided by 149. Simplification involving fundamental operations. As we know, there are 4 fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Sometimes a problem may contain more than one operation at a time. In such cases, we have to use all the fundamental operations together. To solve such problems, we follow Demar's rule. Demar's rule stands for D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Solved example. Example 1. Simplify the following. A. 16 into 5 plus 2. B. 12 divided by 2 into 6 plus 5 minus 3. C. 92 plus 5 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2. D. 7629 plus 8435 divided by 5 into 3 minus 80. Solution. A. 16 into 5 plus 2 is equals to 80 plus 2. Multiplication. 16 into 5 is equals to 80 is equals to 82. Addition. 80 plus 2 is equals to 82. B. 12 divided by 2 into 6 plus 5 minus 3 is equals to 6 into 6 plus 5 minus 3. Division. 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. 36 plus 5 minus 3. Multiplication. 6 into 6 is equals to 36. 41 minus 3. Addition. 36 plus 5 is equals to 41. 38. Subtraction. 41 minus 3 is equals to 38. C. 92 plus 5 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2. 92 plus 5 into 2 minus 2. Division. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. 92 plus 2 minus 2. Multiplication. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. 102 minus 2. Addition. 92 plus 10 is equals to 102. 100. Subtraction. 102 minus 2 is equals to 100. D. 7629 plus 8435 divided by 5 into 3 minus 80 is equals to 7629 plus 1687 into 3 minus 80. Division. 8435 divided by 5 is equals to 1687. 7629 plus 5061 minus 80. Multiplication. 1687 into 3 is equals to 5061. 12690 minus 80. Addition. 7629 plus 5061 is equals to 12690. 12610. Subtraction. 12690 minus 80 is equals to 12610. Example 2. Fill the boxes with appropriate symbols. Solution. A. 24 divided by 3 equals to 8 plus 1 equals to 9 into 3 is equals to 27 minus 5 is equals to 22. B. 16 into 2 is equals to 32 divided by 8 is equals to 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Think wisely. Mr. John owns a neighborhood grocery store. He has 56 oranges to arrange in rows for his window display. He has 4 rows in a window. How many oranges will there be in each row if he puts the same number in each row? Exercise 6.5. Question 1. Simplify the following. A. 249 plus 6 minus 4 divided by 2 into 3. Answer 229. B. 18 into 2 plus 40 divided by 4 minus 6. Answer 16. C. 7642 into 2 minus 2059 plus 1400 divided by 7. Answer 13323. D. 38462 plus 10596 divided by 2 into 5 minus 1102. Answer 63850. E. 50,650 divided by 5 into 200 plus 3,426 minus 1,020. Answer 5,08,906. F. 286 into 12 divided by 6 plus 742 minus 168. Answer 1146. Question 2. Fill the boxes with appropriate symbols. A. 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2 into 5 is equals to 10 plus 2 is equals to 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. B. 5 into 4 is equals to 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10 minus 6 is equals to 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. C. 3 plus 15 is equals to 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6 into 3 is equals to 18 minus 2 is equals to 16. D. 20 minus 5 is equals to 15 into 3 is equals to 45 divided by 9 is equals to 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Mental maths. Fill in the blanks. If twice a number is 64, find the half of the number. Take away 4225 divided by 65 from 165. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the dash itself. Maths lab activity. Materials required. 1. 2 whiteboards with markers. 2. 2 sets of chits with digits 0 to 9 written on them. 3. A set of playing cards. Steps. 1. This activity will be carried out by dividing the children into 2 teams. 2. Each team will have a set of chits marked 0 to 9. 3. 5 chits will be taken out by each team. Example, Team A 80342 and Team B 36951. 4. Now leader of each team draws a card from the pack. Let us say a 9 and a jack 11. 5. Team A will work with the biggest dividend formed by the 5 digits. Team B will work with the smallest dividend formed by the 5 digits. 6. Team A has the divisor 9. Team B has the divisor 11 jack. 7. Dividing correctly gets 5 marks.